we're home from our trip to Cebu City. So before we sleep, actually, syempre, before I sleep, I have to freshen up. But before I do all that, kasi makakalimutan ko na to, I just want to unbox Dada's gifts to me. Because it's our 125th monthsary. Happy monthsary, Dada.
Happy monthsary.
And as part of the celebration, he gifted me with my favorite perfumes. So, eto siya. My favorite Prada, Paradox by Prada. So, Dada bought this one for the very first time last year. Eto siya. And dahil sa mga trips namin, like sa Singapore and Hong Kong, and yung mga local beach trips din, medyo naubos na siya. So sabi ko, Dada, my perfume is getting ubos na. I want a new one. So yun, binila niya ako. So i-unbox natin yung Lecha. And then may isa pa akong nagustuhan. Parang similar rin from last year, which is the Versace Bright Crystal.
On the floor.
Versace on the floor. Yeah. So, last year, kaya ako to nagustuhan. Kasi ang ganda ng box niya. Yung sobrang big na pink box. Tapos may mga libreng bath gel and lotion. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ko masyado nagagamit. Madalang lang. So, marami pa rin yun. So, sabi ko, iba naman yung bibiling ko. And I found out from the sales rep na hindi pala ito perfume. It's just a cologne. It's Eau de Toilette. Tama ba yung pronunciation? I'm not sure. But anyway, it's not like oil-based. May oil pero hindi siya ganun karami yung content. So, kaya pala pag ini-spray ko siya after like a few hours, parang ang faint na nung smell. Unlike itong Paradox ni Prada, kahit nalaban na yung damit and everything, amoy Prada pa rin yung damit ko. So, sobrang ano niya, sobrang tapang. So, because ayoko na ng Toilette, sabi ko, gusto ko pa rin ng Versace, but the perfume version. Ito yung binili ni Dada. Versace Bright Crystal pour femme for girls. And it's a parfum. So, yan. Bubuksan natin siya. Siguro unahin ko yung... Ito. Sige. Unahin natin ang Versace. I think this is ano eh. Yung color niya nung tinitingnan namin is darker pink compared to this one. Ito kasi light lang yung pagka-pink niya. This one is darker. Oops. Ang cute din ng box, oh, metallic, na parang crocodile-y texture. There! Yay! O, diba? Mas dark siya. So, siguro dahil oil-based, kaya dark. Because they're both bright crystal. Pero ito talaga perfume. And sabi nung sales rep, like 1, 2, 3 spray lang, it will really last a long time, yung smell. So, yay! Thank you, Dada. Okay. Then, buksan natin ang Paradox. For sure, of course, it looks the same. At mahirap buksan. Bakit? Parang ayaw niyang magpagamit.
May laman pa ako kasi.
Kasi may laman pa yung isa. Yay! Ayan. Grabe, hindi ko pa nabubuksan na. Amoy ko na siya. So, matapang talaga. Matapang na mabango. Even yung staff namin dito, pag suot ko to, let's say, dadaan ako sa kanila. Uy, humot kayo si ma'am. Bango daw ni ma'am. So, mabango talaga itong pabango na to. Yay! Full bottle na ulit. Oy, pero kasi Dada, ever since I've known him, circa 2012, mamahalin na yung mga pabango niya, mga Versace. Tingnan nyo. Syempre, meron din si Dada. Versace. Versace palagi ang perfume mo, no? Pero yung last time, ibang, ano.
Yun yung palagi yung man, yung pala, yung ano ko eh.
Last year, parang light blue yung box niya. Ngayon, Dylan blue.
Yan,
so, mabango rin to. Ayan. Si Dada na yung mag-unbox nito in his own time. Gusto ko lang ipakita. And, eto pa pala. Last year, when Dada bought me the Versace Bright Crystal perfume and the Paradox by Prada perfume, binigyan kami ng libreng Ralph Lauren bag na ginagamit ko for my laptop, for my MacBook. This time, hindi naman ako nanghingi ng ng freebie. Pero siguro natuwa sa amin yung sales rep kasi well, nakakatuwa lang kami. Charot. Binigyan kami ng free bag ulit. Two na actually. 2 free bags. And may mga free, small bottles of perfume. So, ito, ang cute nung isa. Pwede for our travel. Yung last year na freebie ko, parang colorful siya na maliit na pouch bag ng Versace. This one naman, siya, pwedeng lagyan ng laptop, ng damit, ng papers. Sobrang versatile niya. Ayan, diba? Yay! So, this is the first bag by Versace na freebie. And then, si Prada, binigyan din kami ng free bag by John Varvatos. I think it's a French brand. Kasi Votre Cadeau. It's in French. So cute siya. Akala ko nga shoe bag. Pero medyo malaki siya eh. Oh, marami pang pwedeng ilagay. And mukhang classy, no? I hope it lasts. Ayan. Yay! Thank you, Prada and Versace. And yung mga Kazi, can you give me the small bag? Because all the other perfumes.
This one?
Yeah, the freebie perfumes are here. Let's unbox. First, they gave... Asan yan? Ito. Can you make it, go... Zoom? Go to 2? Yeah. This is, Trussardi. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's ruby red. And so, it's the first time I've heard of it kasi hindi naman talaga ako ma-explore na tao sa perfume. Kung ano lang yung gusto ko, yun lang yung binibili ko. Ng paulit-ulit. Well, this time, binibili ni Dada ng paulit-ulit. Pero, bango niya. You like? Tapang ng amoy. Perfume, tapang ng amoy. Siguro like 2 ganun lang. It can last the whole day na. So that's Trussardi. Trussardi Ruby Red. It's a sample perfume siguro na free. Binigay sa amin. Thank you. And eto naman is a Mugler. It's also a perfume eau de parfum. Alien Alien Hypersense. It's a small bottle lang. Ganito yung tsura niya. There! It's so cute. And they gave us like 5 of this cute little thing. Paano ba to? Spray pala siya. Hindi ko pa nga na-spray. Bango na. It's also a perfume. So, tama ba? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alien Hypersense Smuggler. Thank you. And Trussardi, thank you. And Versace, thank you. Oops. Luma na to. Where's the new one? Versace Bright Crystal, thank you. And where's the new Prada? Here. Ito talaga yung the best ever. Thank you again, Dada. Till my next unboxing, pag naalala ko. Bye! Tulog na kami.